Welcome back. We all know some diets don't work, and for some people, no diets work, so they turn to surgery. This group has lost more than 450 kilos via Lapband procedures. Now they've formed a unique club.
We've lost 459 kilos between us.
Yay! They call themselves the Lap Bandits, but the only thing they've blown away is obesity.
I'm Deb. I used to fit into these jeans. Now two of us fit into them.
I used to be a size 22, now I'm a size 8.
I've lost 56 kilos and diabetes.
They're the champions in the fight against fat. Their weapon of choice, Lapband surgery.
I was silly yo-yo dieting and I thought, no, I've had enough. And then I got diagnosed with diabetes and I thought, right, that is it. This is the end of this. I'm going to have the Lapband surgery.
I've been banded for 20 months and I've lost 32 kilos and can feel every gram off. It's wonderful.
Results from this procedure can be spectacular, but many patients find they have questions about their recent dramatic surgery and no one to ask.
I have no friends that had actually lap banding done. I had nobody to ask questions. I'd look up things on the internet. Occasionally, yes, ring the clinics, but they're busy and half the time you couldn't speak to anybody.
Our surgeons are all fantastic, but they're very busy people.
Deb Ross is the Lapband golden girl, having shrunk from size 22 to a 10.
And now I'm size 10. I started talking to a few people on the internet, you know, on a few little forums here and there, and we met for coffee, and we all sort of had the same idea that there's really not much around to support each other than sort of just meeting for coffee here and there. So I just decided to invite a few people along and it's just steamrolled from there.
It's expanded into a support group for its shrinking followers.
I've been banded a bit over 12 months and I've gone...
I was banded at the end of September last year.
Hi, I'm Donna. I've been banded for almost 3 years.
Hi, my name's Gary and I was banded 15 weeks ago and I've lost 15 kilos. I feel great and I have lots more energy, so it's really good.
It's a gentle, safe, minimally invasive way of losing weight.
Dr. Paul O'Brien is Director of the Centre for Obesity Research and Education at Monash University and author of the Lapband Solution. He says there'll be 14,000 procedures done this year alone.
It's becoming one of the commonest operations that we do, and it's growing very rapidly, and I expect in 5 years' time it could well be 40,000 procedures.
It's extraordinary technology, but is it a quick fix?
No, definitely not. This is just setting the scene for us as a partnership to do the right thing permanently for the rest of the life. Eating properly, exercising properly, coming along to see us, learning about how to live the life with a lap band.
Back at the Lap Bandits headquarters, meetings move from frivolous fashion tips for fading frames.
Once you get rid of them, you don't ever want them back again, do you?
No, never to go back to that size.
Food forums.
So I've got some spoons, we can all have a sample, and then Coralie can give us the recipe after if we wish.
To discussions about the serious side effects of surgery.
I had an instance where when I was brushing my hair, a lot more hair was coming out than what I thought was normal. And I hadn't mentioned anything, and then along to one of the support groups there was someone who had the same issue.
It also offers support to those considering surgery, like Coralie's daughter, Kirsty.
I can come here and ask questions about what may happen, or I can hear their stories about what has happened to them in the past.
Look into it, but it's a life-changing experience and, yeah, I've had no regrets personally.
Yay! And following the group's success, some doctors are considering setting up similar support groups and even information websites on Lapband surgery. There are more details on that story at our 9MSN website. When we come back, explosive new claims about that Aussie dive mystery.
I think it's a setup. We're all being taken for a fool.
The Ladettes are back. Which of these brand new horrors will make the ultimate transformation?
You've got to have fun.
And become perfect ladies. The brand new series Ladette to Lady, tonight 9:30 on 9.